Hello everyone, welcome to Blackdog Performance Cars. My name is Chris, and today we have a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Post. So this is a Tri-5. So the Tri-5 is a 55, 56, or 57 Chevrolet model, typically a 150, 210, or Bel Air. The 210 is the mid-range. Obviously the 150 is the base. 210 is the mid-range, and the coveted Bel Air is the top of the line of that Tri-5 era. This 210 is finished in white over orange. The vinyl interior shares that same color scheme. You also notice the American Racing torque thrust wheels with the alloy in the center and then the brushed, polished lip. As it sits, this 210 is a great example of a driver. It has nice features like power steering, power brakes, and of course air conditioning. It's also something that the new buyer can take home and customize and make it their own. They can choose a new color scheme if they want. They can add options if they want. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you have any questions about this 1955 Chevrolet 210 Post, feel free to give me a call at 224-352-2535 or shoot us an email, carsales@blackdogspeedshop.com.